Do you have an interest in learning drafting skills for architecture or interior design, but you're still having trouble learning the software on your own? Intro to CAD might be just the class you need to get started. In this course, you'll begin by learning to create basic shapes with simple drafting, before moving up to more complex designs and creating projects of your own. As you get more comfortable with the software, you'll begin to learn more advanced drafting techniques and create floor plans for buildings and interior design. Each project is designed to guide you through the basics of drafting. You'll eventually work your way up to creating plans that can be exported and used for 3D designs in other programs. This class is completely online with absolutely no textbook cost for students. If you don't have access to CAD, you can access the software through the VMware on our ARC servers. After learning CAD, you can take your skills and apply them to 3D programs like AutoCAD, Inventor, and more. Learn CAD this semester. Sign up today.